Okay, great people, we are here once again. Yesterday we looked at how to determine the error. Today we are going to look at how to use the column method to multiply. So assuming you have a question, it says multiply the following using the column method. Okay, so this is the question. You have to write it, arrange it correctly. If you don't arrange it correctly, you are going to get your answer wrong. So you see that I have my 2387 here. Then the units will follow this, and the 2 will also follow this, like this. Then we need to multiply this. It must follow like that, like what we have there. Okay, this must follow this. So this 8 times 7, it must follow that one. Okay. So I don't want you to use your calculator to press this, because if I use my calculator to press 2387 by 8, I'm going to get exactly what I have here. But I don't want you to do it that way. Alright, we have to multiply each term by, so I have to multiply 8 by 7. So 8 and 7 by 8. You see that I have 56 now. So you write the 6, carry 5. Don't add it to this 8. You multiply 8 by 8. So what is our 8 by 8? 8 by 8 gives us what? 64. Remember, we're having carry 5, so plus 5, which gives us 69. So you write the 9 here. Is that okay? You write a 9 here. You keep the 6. Then you have 8 times 3. 8 times 3, which is 24. Remember, we're keeping the 9, so plus 9. Was it 9? Let's do it again. It was 8 times 8, which was 64. Alright, then we added 5 to it to get what? 9. Then we carry 6. 6 rather. So you write a 6 somewhere. Let me write it somewhere before I forget, okay? So my 6 somewhere. Okay. Then the next thing you need to do is 8 times what? 3. So 8 times 3 give us 24. Carry what? 6, so plus 6, which is going to give us 30. So you write the 0 here. Let's write the 3. Where is it? This 3. Alright, I've written it here in order not to forget. Then 8 times 2. So you have your 8 times 2, which is what? 16. So we need to add a 3 to it. So plus 3 is going to give us 19. So you write the whole 19 here. We are done with this one. Yeah, we are going to deal with the 2 also. So you have 2 times 7. So you have 2 times 7. And 2 times 7 is what? 14. So you write the 4. You carry the 1 here. Don't add it yet. So write a 1 somewhere. Okay. So I'm going to multiply again. So 2 times 8. So I'll have my 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is what? 16 plus 1, which is going to give us 17. So I have my 17 here. Instead of writing the whole 17, you write only 7. Then carry 1. Then we are going to have 2 times 3. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. Alright. Plus 1 is going to give us what? 7. Then you do the last one. 2 times 2 is what? 4. Alright. Okay. Now, look at how I arrange it. This 4 must go under this 2. You see that this 6 must go under this 8. So the arrangement is important. So now I've arranged it nicely. Now I'm going to add. So I'll have my 6 here. That is my 6. Okay. So this 6 is for this one. Alright. Then 9 plus 4 is what? 13. You write a 3. Carry 1. Then 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 9 plus 7 is what? 16. You write a 6. Then 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So you get it. Alright. When you are done, you can check it with your calculator and see whether you've gotten it correct. So I'm going to press all this once. Remember, you are not supposed to press it once. I'm going to check this and that. Okay. So let's check with our calculator. 2, 3, 8, 7 times 2, 8. See that we got the same thing there. Okay. Now, this one also you do the same thing. It's the same. Alright. You use the same procedure to do. So you do this homework for me. Then let's look at this one. 45 minus a certain number is equals to 24. How do we do it? It's so easy. It's just 45 minus 24, which is going to give us 21. Okay. Then the next one, 68 minus that is equals to 100. They want you to find a certain number. So the only thing you need to do is you subtract. So 68 minus 100, which is going to give you minus 32. So you do this homework for me. Okay, let's look at the next one quickly. We have a table here, and you are told to complete the table. How are you going to complete it? Let's check. The only thing you need to do is you cross multiply. So you are going to have 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 divided by this one, this 3. So divided by 3. It gives us what? Okay, so here we have 5 times 6 divided by 3. Let's see again. Divided by 3 must give us 10 here. This side must be 10. Okay. Then the next one, we want to calculate this one also. So here is 5 times 10. Alright. So 5 times 10, the same 5 times 10. It gives us what? 50 divided by 3. Okay, so this is going to give us this value. So you can write the 16 that's a 16 comma 6 rand. Okay, that is 16 rand 60 cents. Let me put 0 there. Okay, now to fill this side also, what you need to do is you multiply this by that, then you divide it by this. So it's going to be 20 times 3 divided by 5, which gives us what? 12. Then how are you going to fill this side? So this side we are going to have 15 times 5. Alright, let me do it here. So 15 times 5. 15 times 5. So we have 15 times 5 divided by 3, and it gives us what? 25. So all you need to do is to cross multiply. So let me put this one here. Okay,